Shoma, that's Chinese for panda. We're going to show you a poster about Beijing.
I'm evil number 4, and I'm evil because I sound like death in Chinese.
Hello, I'm Long the Dragon. Long is dragon in Chinese.